Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praises and thanks are due to Allah, the Lord of all that exists. May the peace and blessing of Allah be upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the messengers of Allah and his family and companions, and who follows them in righteousness until the day of judgment. Okay, my friends, I'm Anissa Nurul Huda, and in this video, I will convey material about understanding macroeconomics, concept, scope, and example. Let's check it out. Understanding inflation deeply. Definition, cause, impact, and how to control. 1. Definition of inflation. Inflation is a general and continuous increase in the price of goods and services over a period of time. This increase causes people's purchasing power to decrease because the value of money they have can no longer buy the same amount of goods and services as before. Simply put, inflation occurs when the amount of money in circulation is greater than the amount of goods and services available in the market. Inflation is an economic phenomenon that naturally occurs in a country, but if not controlled, it can have a negative impact on the economy and the welfare of society. 2. Factors causing inflation. Inflation can be caused by various factors that affect a country's economy. Here are some of the main factors that cause inflation. A. Demand pull inflation. This type of inflation occurs when the demand for goods and services is higher than the available production capacity. Since the supply cannot meet the surge in demand, the price of goods and services rise. Example, when the government massively raises the salaries of civil servants, people's purchasing power increase, causing the demand for goods and services to surge and price to rise. Rapid economic growth without an increase in the production of goods and services. B. Cost push inflation. This inflation is caused by an increase in production costs that are eventually passed on to consumers through higher selling prices. Example, an increase in the price of raw materials such as oil, gas, and food cause production costs to rise so that the selling price of the product also rises. Increased labor wages make companies raise product prices to cover higher production costs. C. Imported inflation. This type of inflation occurs due to an increase in the price of imported goods due to change in the currency exchange rate or an increase in the price of goods in the country of origin. Example, if the rupiah exchange rate weakens against the US dollar, the prices of imported goods such as electronics and industrial raw materials become more expensive, so local products that depend on imported materials also experience price increase. D. Inflation due to unbalanced monetary policy. If the central bank prints excessive amounts of money without commensurate economic growth, the amount of money in circulation in societies increases dramatically, causing inflation. Example, when a country faces an economic crisis and the government prints new money to cover debts, this can lead to hyperinflation as happened in Zimbabwe. A. Inflation expectation. Sometimes inflation occurs not because of real economic factors but because of people's expectation of inflation itself. If people or business believe that prices will rise in the future, They will raise the price of goods and services early, which in turn actually causes inflation. 3. Types of inflation based on its severity. Inflation can be categorized based on its severity and its impact on the economy. Mild inflation, 10% per annum. Not too dangerous and can still be controlled by the government. Encourages economic growth as it provides incentive for producers to increase production. Moderate inflation, 10% until 30% per year. Starts to disrupt people's purchasing power, especially the lower middle class, reduce the value of people's savings as the money deposit depreciates in value, high inflation, 30% until 100 per year. Cause economic instability and uncertainty in the market, investors become hesitant to invest as the value of money continues to decline. Hyperinflation, 100 per year. Uncontrollable inflation that leads to economic collapse. Money loses its value drastically, causing price of goods to soar with heat days or even hours. Example, Germany in the 1920, money became worthless. People had to carry large amounts of money just to buy bread. Zimbabwe in 2008, inflation reaches millions of percent, rendering the local currency worthless. Next, 4. Impact of inflation on the economy and society. Inflation has a wide impact on various aspects of economy life, but positive and negative. A. Positive impact of inflation encourages economic growth. If inflation is under control, producers will be more eager to increase production and investment. Reduces debt burden. For debtors, inflation reduces the real value of debt, making it easier to repay loans, increase investment activity. Mild inflation encourages people to shift their assets to investment, such as property and stocks. B. Negative impact of inflation. Decrease in people's purchasing power. Price of goods rise while incomes remain fixed, making it increasingly difficult for people to make ends meet. Economic uncertainty. High inflation causes investors to hesitate to invest. People's savings are depleted. If inflation is higher than the interest of saving, the value of money stored in the bank will shrink. Economic inequality increases. The rich who own assets tend to be better protected from inflation, while the poor are worse off. 5. How to control inflation? To control inflation, the government and central bank implement several policies. A. Monetary policy, conducted by the central bank to control the money supply among others. Rising interest rates so that people prefer to save rather than spend money. Selling government securities, bonds to absorb excess money in the market. Fiscal policy, conducted by the government through reducing state spending to reduce demand for goods and services, increasing tax, so that people's purchasing power decreases and inflation control. C. Price stability policy, providing subsidies to strategic sectors so that prices do not jump. Control the price of basic goods through market intervention. C. 6. Examples of inflation case in the world. Indonesia 1908, the monetary crisis caused inflation to peak up to 77%, causing the price of gas to rise dramatically and the economy to weaken. Venezuela 2016 present, hyperinflation makes the price of goods rise every day, causing scarcity of basic needs. Conclusion: inflation is an economic phenomenon that cannot be avoided, but must be controlled so as not to adversely affect the economy. With good understanding, people and the government can take strategic steps to maintain economic stability and share prosperity. Okay guys, thank you for your nice attention. And for less or more, I apologize to Allah. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.